the Weller SP23L. This was one of my favorite desktop soldering irons. I have a soldering station downstairs in the garage or workbench, whatever you want to say, but I like to keep one on my desk, just kind of like that, just to have something in there. That's a Hako, but for years I had used this one, and it worked fantastic. You can see the tip was all rounded off already. It's kind of junk, but then I let somebody borrow it, and I noticed when I got it back that they must have just turned it on and let it sit, with the iron right up against the cord. So, and you know what I really liked the most about this iron is the pliability of the cord. It was super malleable. You could, soft. You could do anything with it. But so now I'm seeing what I can salvage out of this. I'll take the light and maybe cut the wires and keep the heating element or something, get rid of that tip. But so moral of the story: be careful when you loan stuff out. Good soldering iron, and not going to be replaced, or already is replaced. Got enough. But hope everybody's well. Happy coronavirus. Bye.